Every single night you lie in bed, your conscious mind dies, your body paralyzes, your eyes flutter widely under closed lids, and your brain generates a high-definition, fully immersive reality out of total darkness. While you sleep, the prefrontal cortex, the center of logic and reason inside your brain, shuts off, but the emotional core flares into hyperdrive. You are trapped in a story where anything can happen, and you can never question it until you wake. So, why does the brain construct these phantom worlds? Are dreams just random chemical noise? Or are they the most ancient survival software in human history? Psychology gives us our first clue. During REM sleep, your brain performs a ruthless nocturnal audit. It takes the chaotic emotional overload of your waking life, strips away the raw pain, and weaves the remnants into long-term memory. In dreams, you confront unresolved grief and hidden anxieties without stress hormones ever firing. It is a sanctuary built specifically so your psyche doesn't collapse under the weight of living. Carl Jung believed dreams were messages from the unconscious, a bridge between who you present to the world and the repressed shadow living inside you. When you dream of falling, of being chased, or screaming with no sound, your mind is running a threat simulation. Trains your consciousness to survive tomorrow by rehearsing in the dark today. But what happens when the observer wakes up inside the simulation, inside their own dream? This is called lucid dreaming. The moment consciousness reclaims its throne inside the dream environment. Lucid dreaming isn't just a party trick for controlling flight. It is a gateway to the subconscious. Artists use it to pull masterpieces out of thin air. Athletes use it to practice muscle memory without moving a finger. And psychologists use it to heal deep-seated traumas at the root level. So, how do you enter this state? It begins with reality checks, questioning whether you are awake 5 times a day until the habit bleeds into your sleep. Pair that with mild, the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, where you repeat, "I will know I am dreaming," as you drift off. The moment you check your hands in a dream and realize physics no longer apply, you become God of your own private universe. If we zoom out, dreams touch something that borders on cosmology. Look at the architecture of the universe. Billions of stars held together by gravity. Look at your brain. 86 billion neurons connected by trillions of electrical signals. In terms of complexity, your brain is the most complex cosmic structure in the known universe. In a dream, your mind generates the physical landscape, gravity, the light, and the characters all at once. If your mind can construct a completely convincing reality out of pure thought while you sleep, how can you be certain the universe you see right now isn't doing the exact same thing? You have lived thousands of lives inside your own head. You've loved people who don't exist. You've walked through worlds that vanished the moment your eyes opened. Dreams are the ultimate proof that you are more than just a biological machine surviving on a rock. You are an infinitely powerful cosmos, locked inside a finite skull. So don't be sad when a dream fades between your fingers. Be amazed that for a few short hours, you built a universe out of nothing. So, sleep tight. The next world you visit is already under construction.